Hello everyone, Shalom Lachem, Maslom Chem, Maslom Maich, everyone, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well and learning Hebrew also very well. Last time, one of my students from Gujarat, she told me that to make some playlist about those words like wishes, misunderstanding, emotions, expressions. That's why this video is for you, especially for you. And then of course it will be helpful for all the people. Okay, let's start. Today I am going to teach you about or speak something about expressions words, okay, and simple words. Maybe if the video will be not so much longer, then I will add some conversation also in the last part. So let's start. Good, tov, bad, ra, shosho, kacha kacha. Good, tov in Hebrew, tov. Bad means in Hebrew, ra. Shosho, kacha kacha. Big, gadol. Small, katan. Big, gadol. Small, katan. Today, hayom. Today, hayom. Now, akshav. Now, akshav. Tomorrow, machar. Tomorrow, machar. Tomorrow, machar. Yesterday, etmol. Yesterday, etmol. Yesterday, etmol. Yes, can. Yes, can. Lo, no, lo. No, lo. Do you like it? Do you like it? Je matcha eta benaim selach? Je matcha eta benai? I really like it. Bemet ani ahavti. I really liked it. Bemet ani ahavti. Bemet ani ahavti. I am hungry. Ani raiva. Ani hungry. I am hungry. Ani raiva. I am thirsty. Ani chamea. Thirsty. Thirsty means chame. Chame, okay? I am hungry. Ani raiva. Ani raiva. Thirsty. Thirsty. And it's me. In the morning, Boker, evening, Erev, at night, Laila, dish, ze, that, who, here, po, here, po, here, po, dear, sama, really? Bemet? Really? Bemet? Look. Tistakli? Look. Tistakli? Hurry up. Dakhub. Hurry up. Dakhub. Me. Ani. Me. Ani. You. Ata. You. Ata. Him. Shelo. Him. Shelo. Her. Sela. Her. Shela. Her. Sela. What? Ma. What? Ma. Where? Ifo. Where? Ifo. What time is it? Masha? What time is it? Masha? What time is it? Masha? I love you. Ani oive totach. For girl, for women, for girl, we can say I love you. Ani oive totach. For man or for male, you can say I love you. But in Hebrew, I can say like that. Ani oive totcha. For man, ani oive totcha. For girl, I love you means ani oive totach. Ani ohevet otach. Okay? I feel sick. Ani khola. For girl, I feel sick. Ani khola. For man, I feel sick. Ani khole. Ani khole. I need doctor. I need a doctor. I need a doctor. Ani charikh rofre. Ani charikh rofre. Ani charikh rofre. 1. Echad. 2. Shtayim. 3. Shalosh. 4. Arba. 5. Khamesh. 6. Shesh. 7. Sheva. 8. Shmone. 9. Tosha. 10. Esher. Okay, these are the 10 numbers I am telling. Now, give me this. 10 लीजिए. Bevakasha. Give me this, please. 10 लीजिए Bevakasha. 10 लीजिए Bevakasha. 10 लीजिए Bevakasha. Now, let's start with short conversation, okay? I think it will be helpful for you. What's your name? Ekorim lach. For female, ekorim lach. Okay? If you want to ask someone, or if someone is asking you, they will ask you like this. Okay? Or you have to ask her like this. Ekorim lach. For female, okay? I am telling. Ekorim lach. For man or for male, ekorim lacha. Ekorim lacha. Okay? Ekorim lacha. My name is Nisha. Korimle Nisha. My name is Nisha. Korimle Nisha. How are you? How are you? For female, maslomeich. 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 Okay? For male, maslom kha. Maslom kha. I am fine. Ani besheder. I am fine. Ani besheder. Okay, thank you. And how are you? Okay, thank you. And how are you? Tov, Toda. Ba'ech ata. For male, ba'ech ata. For female, ba'ech at. Thanks God. Baruch haba. Thanks God. Baruch haba. Toda. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I am happy to see you. I am happy to see you. Ani somachti lelirot otach. For female, okay? Ani somachti lelirot otach. You don't stay? You don't stay? You don't stay? Ma tasach? Asking, okay? Don't you stay or you don't stay? How was your trip? How was your trip? איך עברה נשייה? איך עברה את הנשייה? איך עברה נשייה? Who are you? For female, for women, miat, miat. For male, miata, miata. Who are you? For male, miata. For female, miat. Okay? I am your caregiver. I am your caregiver. אני מטפלת שלך. For female, אני מטפלת שלך. For male, אני מטפל שלך. Or אני מטפל שלך. For female, if your boss is female, you have to say like this. As a girl, if I am saying this to my female boss, then I say like this. אני מטפלת שלך. אני מטפלת שלך. But if my boss is male, then I have to say in another way, okay? אני מטפלת שלך. Okay? אני metapelet shelcha. Sure, adon, sure, adon. Mishesh, geweret, mishesh, geweret, mish, geweret. I came to help you. I came here to help you. Ani bati po le lajorlach. I came here to help you. Ani bati po le lajorlach. Okay, Shiya Lachem Yom Tov. I hope this video is useful for you and all the people and all my students who live in Israel, and all the time they are scrolling and watching my videos and listening my recordings, podcast. Thank you so much, everyone. Shiya Lachem Yom Tov, Bevakasha, V'litraot Lachem.